See this, guys? These guys have been all over us. We've been throwing a few bits, and a couple of them even took it right from my hand. They're getting really close. There's a few black crows around and a couple squirrels. That guy right there, that one here, he's bigger than his face is redder. But yeah, they'll come right up to you and take it right from your hand. See if I can get one to do it. And get it on camera. Let's try. Oop, got a little bit. You're seeing all our bits here. I was doing some food reviews, and so I brought several things with me, but I didn't do all of it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, wait, I'm trying to get him to take my hand. Come on. Come on, do it again. Come on. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I got him.
Oh, they're all fighting. Oh.
Aren't you guys adorable? I always like these birds. Their beaks are huge. Look at that. Look how cute they are. I think they hang out here a lot, but you see a lot of pooping here. That's all I don't. That's it, guys. But I actually am here today at this park because I brought several things to review, food review. I'm only doing a couple of them. It's just a little bit too warm to be sitting out here all that time. Come here. Come on. Come here. Which one of you guys are going to be brave? Come here. Come on. Whoa. Yeah. Those guys are strong. Alright, one more piece. Come here. Come here. You know, you're not helping.
Oh.
You want me to do it with my hand?
Oh, okay.
Again.
Okay, I won't.
Come here, guys. Come here. Come here. Come on, which one of you is going to be brave? Bet you it's going to be this one. He's bigger. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on, guys. Can we do it again on camera? Third time? Alright, I might just toss it to him. Come. Okay, here you go. That's it. Alright, just want to show that. This guy is so adorable. Yeah, that one's different. He must be bigger. He's redder. His beak and his face is redder.
Might be male.
Maybe he's a male or a female. I'm not sure. And they're the opposite sex. I don't know. Or maybe that's just how they get when they get older. Maybe these are all more juveniles. But they see this kind of birds in Florida all the time.
Oh, beak is
Zoom in.
scary. Oh yeah, that's different.
Okay.
Look at the red legs on it.
Yeah. And there's Mr. Squirrel over there. And that pond over there is a really big alligator. A lot of great wildlife. Okay, that's it. I'm going to end this. Thanks for watching. Bye. Wait a minute.